Hello everyone, welcome to yet another session of IELTS Graphs with me Kunjan Jain at IELTS platform. Today we are going to discuss a combination of graphs. We have discussed bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs and table graphs individually. What if a combination of any of these two comes? Today we are going to see that only. But before that, let us examine the basics of writing task 1, that is academic coaching graph once again. So this is writing task 1 for academic coaching students, which is a graph, and you have 20 minutes time to appear for this task, and you can write at least 150 to maximum 180 words. So here's the question statement for today. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task, as I have already told you. The chart below shows the value of one country's exports in various categories. So what is shown in the chart? There is one chart which shows the value of exports of a country in different categories during 2015 and 2016. So you are given 2 years in which the value of exports in different categories of a country is shown. The table shows the percentage change in each category of exports in 2016 compared with 2015. Yes. So there is a table which shows how much was the percentage change from 2015 to 2016 in value of exports. So here's the graph. The first graph, that is the bar graph, shows earnings from exports, as it is seen export earnings in 2015 and 2016. The black region shows the export earnings from 2015, which are in $billion, and 2016 shows, gray portion shows the export earnings in $billion in year 2016. So there are different categories of products: petroleum products, engineered goods, gems and jewelry, agricultural products and textiles. So there are 5 categories of products. Which is the first category? Petroleum products. Its export was maximum throughout in both the years 2015 and 2016, and the product which was exported least was, or the earnings from which were least, was textiles in both the years 2015 and 2016. Now the export of engineered goods was $58 billions in 2015, and earnings from export of engineered goods was $61 billion in 2016. Next, the value of earnings from gems and jewelry was around $41 billion in 2015, and it was $40 billion in 2016. Next, agricultural. Okay, one more thing is gems and jewelry is the only product the export earnings from which have fallen down. For rest of the products, the earnings from exports have increased. This we can see from here also. We will see this later. So earnings from agricultural products were almost same in both the years, or they were actually same only. Yes. Now the table shows percentage change in values, means this minus this they have shown. So in percentages, petroleum product there was increase in 3%. Engineered goods there was again increase in 8.5%. Gems and jewelry is the only category where there is fall in the value of export earnings, which is 5.18%. Then agricultural products, there is very small increase, that is 0.81%, and textiles had the highest amount of increase in exports with 15.24%. Now what we do, we explain either this graph first or this graph first. It is up to you which graph you want to explain first, but you are going to explain both of them individually, one by one. Not both of the graphs will be explained together. Okay. So you can explain this graph first and then change the body paragraph and explain this graph. This is how the combined graphs are to be explained. Rest of the things are same. The explanation is going to remain the same. So now again the introduction, which is same. How do we write the introduction? By using the synonyms. The bar graph represents the worth of exports of a nation in several types of products, whereas the tabular representation presents the percentage change from 2015. Yes. So there is a bar graph. What is it showing? I have written a word represents for shows. So bar graph, there the word was written the chart, but we know that it is a bar graph. So that is why I have written the bar graph represents. What is it showing? The worth, value, amount. So worth of exports of a nation. Nation means country in several types. They have written various categories. What I have written for that? Several types of products. Whereas the tabular representation, they have written the table. What we have written for table? The tabular representation presents. Again for shows I have written the word presents the percentage change from 2015 to 2016. Okay. This is all with your introduction. Now leave one line and move to body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1, we write the overall analysis. We write the highest and the lowest. So that is what we are going to write here. Overall analysis of the graphs. Now we are going to examine both the graphs. That is why I have written overall analysis of the graphs. Reveal that petroleum products were the most exported commodity of the country. Yes, we can see that which product is exported highest. Petroleum products were the most exported commodity of the country in both the given years. Yes, the years which are given to us, in those petroleum products were exported the highest, and the export of textiles was least. That also we had seen that textiles were exported least. Also, gems and jewelry were only exported commodity which witnessed a downfall in year 2016. Yes. So gems and jewelry was the only product which had a fall in year 2016 in the amount of exports. Next, observing further, when we see the graph further, what we can see, engineered goods were the second highest exported commodity. We saw that in graph of this nation, accounting for $61 billion. Yes. How much was the earnings from export? $61 billion in year 2016, and how much was it? $58 billion in 2015. Yes. The earnings from export of this commodity was second highest, engineered goods, which was $61 billion in 2016, and it accounted to $58 billion in 2015. The export of gems and jewelry was around $40 billion in both the given years. Yes, for gems and jewelry we can see that it was lying near $40 billion in both the given years. The earning from export of farming goods was $31 billion in 2015 and 2016. Yes, the agricultural products, they were exported nearly same, that is $31 billion in 2015 and 2016. Now we are going to switch to table graph. So leave one line and change your paragraph starting from extreme left. Now what I have written, because I am going to see the table graph now, I am going to write about the table graph now. So what I have written, considering the table chart. Now when I look into the table chart, what I can see, it is seen that there was highest increase in export of textile products. Yes. So which product has the highest increase in export? That was textiles. How much it was? 15.24%. I have written that in brackets. Followed by engineered goods. Means at first the highest exports percentage change was in engineered goods, and the second product is, first was textile products and second is the engineered goods with 8.5%. Moving ahead, there was only 3% rise in export of petroleum products. Yes, we saw that there was just 3% rise in export of petroleum products, while it was just 0.81% in case of agricultural products, and there was rise of only 0.81% in case of agricultural products. Thank you. That's all for your combined graph today. Please like, comment and share my videos. I am also on Facebook and Instagram. Do tune in there also, as the exams have finally opened up for pen and paper exam for ITP have opened up. So do prepare for that and start preparing from IELTS platform. Thank you.